Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. I show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to open up CapCut and import the video that you want to make smooth slow motion. Just drag and drop over here. Now you just need to select the video that you want to do it. After selecting the videos on the right side, in this tab you just need to select the speed, and now you will get standard. First, drag this speed to right side like 2x, or you can increase the whole video speed. If you want to create a smooth animation, then select this curve option and select custom, and just modify this line like if you drag this end of this line over here just like this, then the video will be slowed down at this range guys, and the video size will be increased because we are slowing too much, like 0.1. For example, I just gonna play this video like this. First it will play normal and it will be slowed down like this curve make the video smooth slow motion. As you can see, the video is now in 0.1x. You can actually increase the speed at the end like this. Modify it guys, you can modify these lines like your preferences. Just now the speed will be increased in this point. If you want to change it, then select the reset option. You can do it for the starting of the video as well. The slow starting, like I'm doing this, just play the video slowly, the video will be start and come back to normal speed. And here it has lots of default templates. You can select it. Flash out, this is the default template. This will increase the speed. As you can see, this has been pretty high. Now I'm just playing the video, just look at it, and this speed has been increased at the end of the video. You can default select these things guys, and this things first speed up and come back to normal. And this is the way how you can make a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.